Got BB Southern Safari and Chris with us today. And I just got my first find. It's a pistol musket shot. Alright, we'll keep looking. Alright, second hole. Got a round ball, Confederate. It's awesome. The myth, the legend,
Yeah.
Bruce Brown. I mean, I tell you what. You know what that is, don't you guys? That's the back of a buckle, part of one. You can see the part of the U on the front. That is unbelievable. Yeah, this place is hunted out, man.
Yeah, it's hunted out.
Still see some lead in there. There's the end to one of the ends of the buckle. Looks like the other one there.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. No, that's the S.
Is it the S?
That's
oh, it
the
is an
S.
S. Sure is. That's an S.
Look at that.
Cool.
Unbelievable. Buckle King, Bruce Brown.
I like to find
Start
a hole.
calling him Buckle Bruce. Jesus, he just go sit in the damn truck.
I haven't found any bullets yet.
Way to go, dude. That's awesome. That's definitely part of a buckle. Killer. Congrats.
Thanks.
All right. Got a solid 80. Let's see if we can't find it in this clump here. There it is. It's modern. Can't tell. It's heavy. Get a pin off of something. Alright, just dug that hole, got that plug down in the hole. Nice little pistol shot. This is good shape. Nice drop. It's nice. Take that. I'm trying to work another part of the field, so it's been hit and miss. Thanks for watching. Alright, after about 50 miles hiking, I just had, man, it's stacked against me. I've been sick all week and, you know, just real weak today. So it's just been tough, and I hiked and clear across this property. I mean, you can see, I mean, it's just massive. BB's just been kicking my tail. I finally got another round ball. So, trying to hang in there, but I'm awful slow right now. All right, maybe I can get another one. Got a little pistol bullet. Bruce is just killing me today. Thanks for watching. All right, I shouldn't even video this pitiful hunt. Just the modern bullets. Crap. Looks like a razor handle again. Some rings that ring up 80. You think you got Morgan dollar, and it's that junk. And then you got little modern little fired bullets. Got some round balls. Cut round ball. This one's cut in half. Some bucking balls. Carved pistol bullet. And I just have to give the day to Bruce. I'll show you what he got when he gets over here. He just dug another one. So I don't know. Some days you got it, some days you don't. Be right back with his finds. All right, Bruce is back from the onslaught that he put on me today. He's got some good finds. Where's your plate? Yeah, we got some buck and balls, pistol shot. He's got 3 ringers. This one here is big round ball. It looks like mushroomed out. It's a nice fire 3 ringer right there. And let's see. That's a 69 fired. That's heavy. And he's got all these round balls. He just killed it. Got like 12 bullets, including fire, plus his buck and balls. Some modern stuff, shotgun shells. Some lead there, little camp lead. A little crusty Lincoln. And then he found that part of that US buckle.
Oh yeah, there's two.
What's that? Part of a watch
Yeah,
fob or something?
yeah, it's a watch.
Huh.
And then this
I wonder
thing,
if that's silver or if it's stainless.
this was ringing up button, but I don't know what it's probably part of a shotgun shell.
Yeah, it looks like with that
Yeah.
paper coming in.
Mm-hmm.
But that, my friends, it's mangled, but we saved what little bit of it was left, you know, from the plow. Boy, that's a shame.
Mm-hmm.
Still got some lead in there. Yeah, he kicked my tail today. Well, we had fun. I was dragging butt all day. And, you know, I hiked about 5 miles, I think, today, so blew my wad there. But way to go, bud.
All right.
We never leave empty-handed. Some days are better than others.
Picked up a ton of trash.
And, there's a bag of trash, one of them. More trash. Bunch of nabs, you know, but look at all that trash. Let me show you something else. Say we don't haul our stuff out. Look at that thing. Full 5-gallon bucket. Iron, just you name it, it's in there. We take our trash out. So hopefully the next time we hunt, we don't find it again.
That's right. It's a lot cleaner when we leave.
But thanks for subscribing. Y'all go check out BB Southern Safari. His video. I'm sure he'll have some cool live digs and stuff on there from this hunt. And appreciate all y'all subscribers, you good guys, and the rest of you scumbags can kiss our ass. But hey, we had fun. Happy hunting, everybody. Yeah, just a quick update. You know, I had a little damage to the cover of my AT Pro where I nicked it with my knife, and it, you know, started getting some dust under the clear acetate cover. So I was worried it may not be waterproof. So I talked to Garrett, and they sent me this, which is the you know, faceplate part, but there's that clear plastic thing that goes over it. So I talked to them again, and they sent me this, so brand new. So I'll be able to install that myself. And then they sent me all these patches. Pretty cool. And some stickers. So I mean, Garrett just stands behind their stuff, man. And I didn't have to send it in or anything, so I got instructions on how to do it and get her back up 100%, brand new. And thanks for watching our hunt today, guys. Later.
You can stake that claim. Good work is the key to good fortune. Winners take that praise, losers seldom take that blame.